Hello there, dolls. Welcome back. I am Lindsay, and you're watching Dreadfully Dainty Dips. Alright, so today I figured let's have a little gel polish play, shall we? So I'm always reviewing dip stuff and doing dip nails, so let's just touch a little bit on some gel polish. So today we're going to be using a couple Dipomania products and a couple Dipped in Sparkles products. I'm going to be using Dipomania's Blossom Gel, as well as her black gel polish that just launched. So yes, go check out that at dipomania.com. And for all the other colors that we're going to play with, you can find at dippedinsparkles.com. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, so raise your hand if you've never played with Blossom Gel or Blooming Gel before. Oh, you are missing out, and please don't let it overwhelm you. It is so much fun. So today I'm going to show you 5 simple, easy peasy designs that almost anybody can do. All right, so we're going to take our blooming gel. I have 2 layers of each of these colors on the nail, cured each layer for 60 seconds. Okay, these are gels. You will need a UV LED nail lamp. All right, and we're going to brush on our Blossom Gel in a thin coat. Okay, and we are not going to cure this. Oh, and as always, I will leave all the products and colors in the description box down below. So if I miss anything in the video, please check there if you'd like any of these colors. So, okay, so we are not going to cure this, okay? Because we want our color gel to be able to flow freely through that Blossom Gel and spread. Okay, so I have like a neon green here. I'm going to take a dotting tool, any size, whatever you would like. Super simple. We're going to make little lines down the center of the nail. Okay, you want to be somewhat fairly quick at this because the more you let it sit, the more it's going to spread. Okay, the job of that Blossom Gel or Blooming Gel is to make things spread. Okay, so I'm going to go down the sides. We're going to randomly fill it in with some dots, right? Easy peasy. We're kind of going for like a I don't know, like a reptile, dragon, kind of like a little scaly look. Could be snake skin if you change the color of the green, you know. All right, so we're going to let this spread, okay? I like to just kind of let it sit, do its thing. The fun thing about this is if you mess up, it's gel. If you haven't cured it, give it a wipe off. Start all over, okay? But with Blossom Gel, it's so fun that like, I mean, if you mess up, nobody'd ever know because it just kind of does its own thing and makes its own little pattern. All right, so once we're happy with this design, we are going to cook it in the nail lamp. Yes, we need to do a full cook for 60 seconds. All right, so let me just kind of fiddle with this. Okay, I like that. Let's pop it in there. Okay, with Movie Magic, you're not going to have to wait for that 60 seconds. But I am giving it a full cure. All right, so next up I figured let's do a little easy cheetah print nail, right? Cheetah print, leopard print, that's kind of like a hip thing now. Okay, so I have like a pastel orange from Dipped in Sparkles here. We've already cured it, 2 layers, okay? Now we're gonna go back in with our Blossom Gel from Dipomania. Okay, we wanna do a thin layer. You don't need it all gloopy. Okay, just thin. All right, brush that on there. Do not cure it. Remember, we need our colored gel to be able to flow through there. If you cure it, then it's done and it's pretty much just kind of like a top coat. All right, again, same dotting tool. I'm going to dip into a brown gel this time. And we're going to go over this lovely, like, kind of like creamy color. And we're going to make little C's. Yep, it's that easy. Little C's in random spots all over the nail. Okay, be kind of quick about this. Now this is sped up. If you need to take your time, that's okay. Just remember that that Blossom Gel is going to keep spreading. So if you don't want it to go anywhere, you got to work quick. All right, so I think I'm happy with that. I'm going to kind of let it spread a little bit to my liking, and then we're going to cook it for 60 seconds. Okay, and then we're going to pull out our little reptile nail or dragon scale nail and take a look at that. How cool is that? Okay, so when you're done, all you do is give it a top coat, a no wipe top coat. Cure that again for its full time per your bottle's instructions, and you're done. See, you can do this. If you have never done it, you can do it. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, let's keep trucking along. We're already on our third nail. Okay, so I have this really cool, like a beautiful neon coral color from Dipped in Sparkles. So let's see. I think let's do a flower design with that one. Oh, okay, back to the cheetah nail. Just kidding. So we're going to take our Madam Glam matte. This is a velvet matte top coat. So I figured, ooh, let's throw on a matte, see what it looks like, and then I'll show y'all what I'm going to do after that matte is fully cured. So give that a cook too, okay? Cook it, cook it. Okay, so back to our coral nail. Let's do a flower design, okay? Back to our dotting tool. We have 2 layers of polish on here that are fully cured. We're going to take our Blossom Gel once again. Oh, I needed a little bit more green. We used it all up on our dragon nail. Come on, Lindsay. Oh, and we're going to go in like a 5-dot pattern. Okay, so now to the Blossom Gel. Lay it on thin. Thin, thin, thin. Okay, do not cure it. Easy peasy, right? Okay, so now we're going to make 5 dots that kind of like look like a flower. Okay, bam, 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 bam. See? Okay, do a couple more. Easy peasy, just random spots. Just kind of get in there and go for it. You can't mess it up. Okay, now these little flowers need some petals, so just do a little swoop swoop. Easy easy swoop. And fill in all that negative space. A little swoop there, bam. Okay, we're gonna let that spread and do its thing. But how cool is that? See, so easy peasy flowers. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Okay, we're gonna let that spread. We're gonna give it a full cook. All right, so back to our little cheetah print, leopard print, whatever you want to call it here. We have matte top coated it, and now we are going to go in with black gel polish. Okay, I have a fine liner brush here, and we're going to kind of give those little curly C's just a little bit of outline. Super simple, just some little swoop swoop here, little swoop there. Then we're going to go in the middle of those, kind of like on the cream color, no more on the brown. And we're going to just put some random little spots. And we are going to leave this glossy. So we will give this a cure for a full 60 seconds. And that's it. I mean, we're done with that because our gel polish, now this black gel polish that's from Dipomania does not have a tacky layer. So I don't have to wipe it off. So it's ready to go for us. Okay, give it a couple of random little dots. I'm just doing this all willy-nilly. All right, easy peasy, give it a cook. All right, let's check on our flowers. How cool is that? Oh, I decided to give this one a matte top coat just to see what it would look like. I love this velvet matte top coat from Madam Glam. Oh, it is gorgeous. It is the best, like hands down, no lie, you guys. The best matte top coat I've ever used. All right, so we're gonna give that a full cook and let's try our red nail. Okay, so this is a red color by Dipped in Sparkles. We're gonna go in, this has 2 coats on it. We're gonna go in with 1 coat of our Blossom Gel. What are we not gonna do? We're not gonna cure it, right? Okay. And we're going to do a rose. Ooh, yeah. I know y'all are probably thinking, oh my gosh, how are you going to do a rose? It's going to be so hard. No, it's not. Okay, because I'm going to show you. Okay, let's take our fine liner brush. You need a thin brush. Okay, let's add a little bit of black gel polish to our palette. Get those bristles nice and saturated, okay? And we're going to do swirls. Okay, start with your little middle part of your rose, lay a dot down, and drag out from each side, almost kind of like how a petal would fade around. dot, swoop, swoop. Okay, dot, swoop, swoop. And you see how I'm kind of like alternating them, like in between where the petals kind of end, like in the middle of that. Okay, so dot, swoop, swoop. And then we're going to go, you know, to the side right there and swoop, swoop, and bam, done. We're going to let that spread. Okay, let it do its thing with that gel polish, with that blossom gel. And then when we're happy, let's give it a cook. Oh, and here's our cheetah print nail. How darn cute is that? All right, and here's our matte coated flower nail. Too cute. You could leave it like this, or you could try to jazz it up, add some glitter, put a little rhinestone dot in the middle. Oh, and here's our beautiful rose nail. And of course, I'm going to give it a matte top coat. You could actually leave it like this and give it a no wipe top coat, and it would be just gorgeous. But let's matte top coat it and see what it looks like. All right, on to our last nail. I can't believe we're already on our 5th nail. All right, so with this white one, we're going to do like a marble. Okay, I'm going to do like a pink and blue. You know, why not? They're two great contrasting colors. I think they'll pop really well against that white background. Okay, this is a white gel polish from Dipped in Sparkles, and it has 2 coats on it that have been fully cured. So now we're going to go on with our Blossom Gel from Dipomania. Do another thin layer, and I will show you how we are just going to randomly, like yes, randomly just throw those colors on this nail and let the Blossom Gel do the work for us for this marble. Okay, no marble is the same. So do not be afraid to just go in there. Okay, back at it with our fine liner nail art brush. Okay, I kind of swirled the brush in between the pink and the blue where they would meet. And this is it. Just a squiggle here. Squiggle there. Just kind of random. You ever looked at a marble? Like a marble nail, marble countertop. Even in different stones. Okay, it's just kind of... You just got all kinds of little squiggles going on in there. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, if there's more color in one spot you don't like it, grab the other color. Go back through it, you know. And then once you're happy, we're just kind of gonna let that spread and do its thing, okay? And then I like to, okay, so you can't cure a nail with a lot of gel polish on there, okay? Because that light can't penetrate through all those layers if it's too thick. And it's going to make your nail wrinkle because that top layer is going to cure, but the stuff underneath it is not. Okay, so therefore it makes the nail wrinkle. So I like to just kind of wipe a little bit off from the edge, and then that way there's somewhere for that Blossom Gel and the other colors to go. All right, and then we give it a cook. All right, and here she is. Oh, and that's just gorgeous. Okay, so we're not going to matte top coat this one. I know. Okay, so we're going to give it a no wipe top coat, and then we're going to give it a full cook, and then I'll show you all the nails all done. Easy peasy. Oh my gosh, we did that so fast. All right, so while that's cooking, I will leave all the products down below. Again, this is from Dipomania, Dipped in Sparkles, and we have one from Madam Glam. If you like this kind of video, this kind of nail art, guys, this easy peasy stuff, let me know down below. What was your favorite nail? Have you tried Blossom Gels? What kind of designs have you done? Have you not tried them? Please let me know. And if you like this kind of content and you would like to see more, you know what to do. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so I can keep it coming. All right, and that's it. Here are our 5 beautiful little quick easy DIY Blossom Gel nail art. What do you think? Ooh, which one is my favorite? I'm going to say the rose because for one, I'm a sucker for red and black, but for 2, whoo, baby, that rose is looking mighty fine. All right, guys, until next time, this is all I have for you today. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.